Got a minute to learn something new about smartwatches? Just a reminder, we have a whole playlist of these tips which you can reach at this address, and a lot of goodies are waiting for you in a Google Drive at the Smartwatch Resource Center here. Your 1 minute begins now. When you first turn on your Android standalone smartwatch phone, you're generally greeted by a really nice startup sound. And it's a joy to hear your watch come alive right in your hands or on your arm. The problem is, you may not want to hear that sound each and every time you turn your watch on. Or more importantly, you may not want to hear the shutdown sound when you shut your watch off. Both of them can be out of place, and at this point there's no way to stop the sound on boot up or shutdown, unless you know this trick. From your watch screen, swipe down, swipe over where all the icons are. Make sure you tap the upper left one, and that'll put your watch in silent mode. At this point, if you turn your watch off, it will silently shut off. No sound. Next time you turn it on, it will have no sound. Just remember, after you boot up, you may want to go in and turn it on.